Hello guys, it's me Ashley
and it's me Cecilia.
So today is our first video and we're gonna do a video about you already saw the thing. It's like the woman who tried to steal our makeup company.
Yeah.
So please like, share, subscribe and
comment.
Yes, that will really help us a lot.
You can also follow us on TikTok.
My name is really for
And you can also follow 2018 Prison.
Yes. And let's go on to the video for today.